If you're facing billing issues on Coinbase, this guide will help you navigate the resolution process effectively. Follow these steps to address your concerns. Step 1. Identify the problem. Determine the specific billing issue you are experiencing, such as incorrect charges, failed transactions, or subscription issues. Having clear details will help streamline the resolution process. Step 2. Check your account activity. Log into your Coinbase account and review your transaction history. Look for any discrepancies or unauthorized transactions that may explain the billing problem. Step 3. Visit the Help Center. Go to the Coinbase Help Center on their website. Search for articles related to your specific billing issue, as they often provide solutions or troubleshooting stats that can resolve common problems. Step 4. Contact customer support. If you cannot resolve the issue through the Help Center, reach out to Coinbase customer support. Use the support options available, such as live chat or email, to explain your billing problem in detail. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your issue to customer support, monitor your email for responses. If you do not receive a reply within a reasonable timeframe, consider following up to ensure your problem is being addressed. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve billing problems on Coinbase. If issues persist, consider seeking further assistance or exploring alternative support options.